Hello my friends, welcome back. Today I've got a styling kit here for my wigs and I cannot wait to open it. I wanted to do the unboxing for you. I'd like to thank Frannie's Hair for providing the styling kit for me. And I know that you will all ask me what I'm wearing. I'm wearing Trend by Tressalure in the color 3-tone gray. This is one of my favorite wigs. Actually, I purchased this one at Frannie's Hair. It was in the open box section, and she was having a great sale during Memorial Day, or maybe it was Mother's Day. I can't remember. It wasn't Mother's Day because I purchased it before, but she was having some sale, and I needed a backup for mine. So this is my new one because my old one is probably going on 2 years old, and as soon as I saw it on the open box section, I thought I have to have it. Let me get it. All right. Well, this video is not about the wig that I'm wearing. I have reviewed Trent in the past, but I have to tell, it's just one of my favorites. I love this wig. I needed it in another color. All right. This video is about unboxing. I wanted to show you how it arrives. You know, I'm really grateful that Frannie sent me this. It was so nice of her. She knew that I had to leave a lot of my products, my wig products that were aerosol in Spain. I had to throw them away because I had some issues with the airline. I had to ship all of my luggage instead of, they wouldn't transfer. There was some mix-up and my luggage wouldn't be transferred on my connecting flight. Anyway, I had to throw my stuff away. So when I just mentioned it to Frannie, and the next thing I knew, she had sent me this box. So I am really excited about it, and I thought I'd share it with you. You know, sometimes, many times I see in the Facebook group, I see new members saying, well, I'm new to wigs. What do I need? Do I need this? Do I need that? And you know what? You really don't need that much stuff. So it comes, like I said, nicely wrapped. There's a sticker, the styling kit. And now let me wait until my camera adjusts again, because, you know, that's how we roll around here. When I started wearing wigs, I went out and I bought everything under the sun that I could find. Has that ever happened to you? Or did that happen to you? It was crazy. Okay, and I have a nice note from Frannie's Hair. Thank you for all that you do. We hope you love your styling kit. They're so nice. Such a nice team. Okay, let's see what we have in here. So let me first show you what it looks like. I'm so excited. That's what it looks like. Everything is nicely put in there. So I'll open this white box, and I'll leave the link to the styling kit down in the description box for you. So nice to work with a nice group of people. I can't even begin to tell you. So you get the water bottle. I cannot tell you how I use this. This is a must-have, and here's why. When my wigs arrive, the first thing I do, I like to make my wigs look as natural as possible. So I spray water. That's all I keep in there is water. I spray them with water, separate the fibers, really get my hands in there. I don't want it to look so done as if I just came out of the beauty salon. Or I like to wear my wigs a little bit more natural. Just a little bit of water. You don't really need much else. So that's all. Actually, this I just took it out of the box. So in your styling kit, you get one of these bottles. And that way I could have one here and one in my office. You get a white tooth comb. This one is from Aesthetica Design. And I'll tell you why I love having these. I have them all over. I have one in each of my purses. I keep one here. I keep one in my office. You want to use a wide tooth comb. This is indispensable. You want to have a wide tooth comb for your curly styles and for your heat-friendly styles. If you have on heat-friendly fibers, it's best to use a wide tooth comb because the heat-friendly fibers, if you use a brush, you can stretch out those fibers. So the recommendation, whether they're straight or they're curly, is to always use a wide tooth comb. The other reason why we would use it would be on regular synthetic fibers if the wig is curly or wavy. If you use a brush, you're going to loosen a lot of those curls. And of course, if that's what you're going for, then go ahead and do it. But if you want to maintain that style, use a wide tooth comb. So this is included in the kit. Well, everything I'm showing you is included in the kit. The next thing is a wig brush. And a wig brush is indispensable for our straight, regular synthetic fibers. And I'm going to, I don't know if I have one here. Yes, I do have one here. That it's in the box, so I'll be able to show you. Still in the box. I've never reviewed this wig. This is Kennedy by Estetica. And usually on our regular synthetic fibers, they're going to the fibers kind of mesh together at the top, if you will. They're a little bit more clumped, so we want to separate them. And the wire brush is perfect for any of our regular synthetic fibers as long as it's not curly. They're also perfect if we want to loosen up some of the permatease. And all you do is just take it and just brush through it. That's all that's needed. And it's going to separate those fibers, and it's also going to give us a more natural appearance on our wigs. Don't be afraid to go into your straight synthetics with your wire brush and just really get in there, especially if there's a lot of permatease and you want to loosen it up. This is perfect. So this will come very handy. Goodness only knows. I could never have too many of these wire brushes. These next two that are in the box, in the styling kit, are two of the ones that I had to, are the two that I had to leave behind. One is the Estetica Sea Salt Spray. I really like this spray because you shake it up a bit, and then you could use it to add a little bit of texture. I wouldn't add a whole lot of it. If you add too much, then it just seems like the fibers feel a little bit dry. So you just want to loosen it up a bit, really get your fingers in there, and it helps with the styling. The other product that I really like is the Tressolure Wig Wax. This serves as a hairspray, and it also serves as a texturizing. So your Estetica Sea Salt Spray will texturize. It's going to really give you that texture on your wigs. The wig wax will do the same thing, but it also serves to provide a little bit of hold. So if you want to, let's say I want to push this back, I could just add a little bit and it'll keep the fibers off my face. And I could also add, if I want to add a little bit of volume, I could do that. It really works wonders. I love this product. So thank you, Frannie's Hair. I was like, okay, I need to buy this. I need to buy the other. Now this product I've never used, and this is the Beltress Salon Hold Holding Spray. So this is a hairspray. I've never tried it before. So we're going to try it together now. I think a hairspray is really important to have in our kits because a lot of times we get wigs and they might be slightly face floppers. So just take your hair back, spray a little bit, hold it there. Has a really nice scent to it. Hold it a little bit, and there you have it. And it holds back. Wow. And it'll stay. That is perfect. Again, that is the Beltress Holding Spray. And the last item in the kit is a must-have for every wig wearer. And that is the John Renault Peace Out Cream. And I ran out of this one, actually. I was going to have to get some more. That's what it looks like. just a little bit. A tiny little bit goes a long way. Just like a pea-sized drop. Make sure you rub it in your fingers, and then you could use it to add volume, to move the hair back, to piece it out if that's what you want to do. You want to style it a little bit different. You could do so much with the piece out cream. I've seen it used a lot on Jet from Estetica to really give it that lift. I think the piece out cream works amazing. I think these products are indispensable to have in our wig kits for any of us, whether we're new wig wearers, we're new to wigs, we're seasoned wig wearers. We need that hairspray. We want to have some texturizing spray. We want to have some of that piece out in case we want to change the style a little bit. We want to have the water bottle. I think these are all products that we use, and the nice thing about them is that you use so little of them. You don't have to restock it every month or every few weeks. This will all last a few months. The only thing that I would add to the kit would be the dual conditioner from Tressalure, because especially for those that wear heat-friendly fibers, because you could add some at the nape at the end of the day and it detangles very easily. Do a couple of sprays and it just makes your wig, it extends the life of the wig so much. The other thing that I think we all need to have is one of these stands. And that's because this is how we dry our wigs. It provides the airflow, and the wigs will just dry evenly. You could also, I also use it in the evening when I take my wigs off. I spray some of the dual conditioner and I hang it up to dry. The other nice thing about them is that they come apart in 3 parts. So this is how very easy to take apart, put together. I took 3 of these on my trip. As soon as I got to the hotel, I took them out, I put them together, and that way they were ready in the evening, or I could style my wig for the morning, just hang it up. I knew what I was going to wear. Very important to have in our kits. But other than that, ladies, you really don't need anything else. Later on, if you want to get into styling, if you want to get into steaming, you may want to add a steamer, you may want to add a cork head. There's other things, but to start off with, you don't need anything else. Honestly, this is the best styling kit that I have seen. Everything that's needed is put together. I'd like to thank Frannie's Hair once again for providing the styling kit for me. I'm so happy to have it. Let me know if any of you have any of these products, or if you have products that I didn't mention that you feel that are indispensable in your styling kit for your wigs. I would love to hear from you. I hope that everyone is having a fantastic day, and I will see you next time. Bye.